Umboniso 4, Scene 4. KwaZwilakhe at Zwilakhe's home. Ngokuhlwa kwangolwesihlanu, on the Friday evening, uGugulethu ufunda a letter. Gugulethu reads a letter from NomaMpondomise. Kusasa ngomgqibelo, on Saturday morning, amahlubi adibene apha kwa Zwilakhe. The elders meet at Zwilakhe's home, and Gugulethu reads the letter. Gugulethu othandekayo, dearest Gugulethu, ndiyifumene ileta yakho ngolwesithathu. I received your letter on Wednesday. Indothusile into yokuphawula. It shocked me to notice that ufuna sitshate, that you want us to marry. Ke mna noko, as for me, I had not yet thought bendingekacingi njalo along those lines. Kuba sekukho umfana, there is already a young man, oselendi lobole, who has paid his lobola dues for me in total. You can read about what lobola entails in your booklet. Yila ngxaki ndandithetha ngayo. That is the problem I mentioned. That phofu lo mfana ndinyanzelwa ngabazali kuye. However, this man has been forced upon me in marriage. Ngabazali by my parents. Ndingamthandi mna, and I don't love him. Ngoku ke ndifikele, and so I have arrived esigqibeni, at the decision that mandizikhuphe, that I should chase out the cattle zalo mfana ngenxa yakho, of this young man, because of you. Uze ungaze uyilibale ke loo nto. Don't ever forget that. Imbangi yokuba, the reason why ndizikhuphe ezinkomo, the reason why I chase out these cattle, luthando, is love. Ukuba ke, and if you uthe kanti uyandikhohlisa, if you are deceiving me, xa usithi, when you say uyandithanda, you love me, yindawo yakho leyo, that is your business. Mna ndingowakho, I am yours. Andiboni mntu wumbi, I see no one else. Owakho, yours, NomaMpondomise. Remember now that Gugulethu receives this letter on the Friday night before the meeting. Kusasa ngomgqibelo, on the Saturday morning at Zwilakhe's home, the Amahlubi elders axoxa, discuss umcimbi, the matter wokutshata kuka Gugulethu, of Gugulethu's marriage. No Gugulethu ukhona. Gugulethu is also there. Zwilakhe opens proceedings, saying, Mawethu, my friends or members of the family, ndiyathemba ukuba anothukthukanga. I hope that you did not, or are not shocked, or you were not shocked. Xandisithi, when I said that, please come for a meeting apha ekhaya, here at home. No, dear hlubis, dear elders, akukho nto imbi, there's nothing wrong, ndinibizela yona, for which I have called you. Tobani izibilini, relax. Ukuba bezinyukile, this is idiomatic language, but relax if you have become tense or concerned. Njengokuba nimbona elapha nomfana, and as you see the young man here, also here, sidibene ngaye namhlanje. We have gathered today because of him. Phofu, however, akenzanga nto. He's done nothing wrong. Inye into nje qha. There is just one matter. Ukuba, and that is umfana kudala fikelele, that he, the young man, has for a long time reached exabisweni, the age lokuba of having isandla sokhohlo, a left hand, a wife. I stop there. Hi Kubawo. No, andikholwa ukuba apha kuthi kukho namnye. I don't think that apha here amongst us there is one who opposes that. Kambe ke nathi, indeed, nathi kudala, we too for a long time siqonda have realized ukuba that Gugulethu ushiwe zintanga zakhe, has been left behind by his peers. Yilondo ke mawethu. Yeah, that is the issue, my friends. Xwaka okwe tutyana. Xwaka literally means silence. One of the elders, Mteto, speaks and he says, Mfowethu, my friend, Diacinga, I suspect, I think that you are utenga, you are wondering, ukuba kuteni sithe xwaka nje. You are wondering why we are silent. Imbangi yoko, the reason for that, kukuba, is because sisalindele ukuba usichazele. We are waiting for you to elaborate. Mna ke Hlubi, as for me, I thought that ndicacisile kakuhle. I thought that I had explained it quite clearly, the reason why sidibene ngayo apa, the reason why we have met here. Goku andikuva xa usithi. Now I therefore cannot understand you when you say, let me mandicacise, let me elaborate, that I must elaborate. Kutheni Hlubi ngathi ufuna sitolike isiXhosa nje? Why is it as though you want isiXhosa to be interpreted? Akwazi ukuba isiXhosa asitolikwa? Don't you know that isiXhosa is not interpreted? Hayi madoda, Mteto says, mandimncede, let me help him, ndimtolikele and interpret for him. Mamela ke, listen then. Phambi kokuba usibize, before you called us, nikhe na tetana, did you have a discussion nomfana, with the young man ngalo mcimbi, about this matter? Kunjalo kanye Hlubi. Yeah, we did, says Zwelakhe. Heke, good. Now bekana phike Hlubi, and what was discussed? Jani, what do you mean? Akukho nto iyenye nikhe nayithetha. Was there nothing else that you discussed? Hayi ke Hlubi, andifuni kuxoka. I don't want to lie. Kuphela nje ndithe emfaneni kufuneka etshatile. All I said to the young man was that it is time that he got married. Ngaba umfana akakhange akuhlebele into? Did the young man not perhaps disclose anything to you that mhlawumbi, perhaps kukho intombi, there is a girl sele eyibonile whom he already has seen or has in mind. Noko kemti. Nonetheless, my friend, asiyanga kulondao. We did not go there. We did not discuss that. Phofu ke kakade leyo indao ibinge yoyake. In any case, that has nothing to do with him. It is no business of his. Yekabani khadebe. And whose business is it then? Ye yoyise. It is that of the elders. Ay uyandoyisa khadebe. Okay, we will leave this scene at this point and split it into two.